in half, and I smashed it up and put it in half a tablet in each balloon, same size balloon, same color balloon. And the two different liquids, I have 16.9 fluid ounces of Coca-Cola and 16.9 fluid ounces of Diet Coke. And then the next step of the scientific method would be to form a hypothesis. So what do you think is going to happen? Do you think that Coca-Cola and Alka Seltzer Plus will expand the balloon the longest? Or do you think Diet Coke will expand the balloon the longest? Or do you think that nothing will happen, or that it'll be at the same time? So that's what you decide now. And now we're going to perform an experiment. Be careful when putting these balloons on. Okay. All right, so we're going to perform our experiment. I'm going to do it at the same time. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hold the balloon because it's top heavy. It's falling over. All right, and already the Coke is not as big as the Diet Coke. So let's see how long it keeps it expanded. Another thing you could do for a different experiment is you could say which one inflated the balloon the biggest, because you can measure it, or you could say which one reacted the fastest, which that would have been the Diet Coke too. And then for your next step, after you perform the experiment, you're going to analyze the data. You will go back and you can look at the video to see how long it took for, or which one lasted the longest. You can do it by time. And if this takes too much time, I will just go back to the video and add how long it actually took. Diet Coke, it's already coming out. I can hear it. You actually see that the Coca-Cola, the balloon is a lot smaller, so it's deflating. Your independent variable of the things that changed in the experiment, what you manipulated, was the liquid, because you had Diet Coke and you had Coca-Cola. And your dependent variable, what are you measuring? You're measuring the time. So that would be your dependent variable. Oh, it's filling up. But don't tilt. Make sure if you do this experiment yourself to have your parent help you so it's not a mess. Because right now we're about saving on resources, especially toilet paper apparently in America. That's it for the Coca-Cola. It's just full of liquid now. So definitely Diet Coke 1. Can you do this with one hand? Probably not. And usually when you take out the Seltzer Plus cold medicine, you usually use warm water or cold water, but don't use Coca-Cola or Diet Coke when you're taking medication.